All right, today is April 7th, 2026. Market opens up soon. Probably got 14 minutes. So, yesterday I was trying to take this here long all the way up to 66. Price struggled. We ended up having a 1 hour level, which I was also keeping an eye on, hoping that price would reach that level. Was it a 1 hour? No, it wasn't a 1 hour. It wasn't 30 minutes. It wasn't 15. It wasn't really five. It's just the 4 hour. So it's just a 4 hour level, right? Do this. I know I had this 4 hour level right here. Waiting for price to come up to it and reject, right? Looking for a price to come to it. Now price is at it, right? Never really had the first rejection, but we did kind of sell from there, right? I would like to see price really like take off. Um, let's put this. This is volume, so let's put this here. Maybe we'll hit it and bounce off. We now have a 1 hour level there. All right, got a 1 hour level here now, and we did kind of start a rejection from that level. We do have a 1 hour down here also, so maybe we'll get that first bounce, retest and go. We're not, I don't know, but right now I'm kind of leaning towards the short side. It's a 30-minute level. We're rejected as well. I'm leaning towards the short side. 15-minute level, like this resistance level, this here. I was trying to get to that 66. All right, I think this hit that peak, that 6667. So I was trying to get exit around here yesterday, but price went short and then came back down. And I'm glad I took whatever I had here. Um, it is what it is, right? So now this level here is really adding like kind of like a defensive move. Probably will see more of a long happening. I'm gonna keep an eye, sorry, lower of a short happening. I'm gonna keep an eye on this down here to see if there's anything that pops up on the main charts. So let's go through it. Let's clear out some of the noise. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame first. Clear out some of the noise, and then adjust where needed. So this can go. This can go for now. This can go. Go. What was that? Yeah. Go. 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 A high will be adjusted. All right. And this is fine. I'm gonna bring that over. That. This can go. Drag this down here, bring this over up here. That's where I want to be with it. I'm gonna add the low down here like this, and double tap that. All right, turn this into a low. All right, bam, got that. It's good. All right, so let's go to the daily. Zoom out. All right, daily. Okay, 4 hour. All right, look like we cleared both the high and low of yesterday's price action. Um, we cleared both the high and low of yesterday's price action. Overnight session. All right, within like 3, 4 hours. Is that 5? Is that 3 hours? All right, so we cleared the high and the low, like basically touched them, both sides. All right, we still have this happening here. So let's mark this is from the 1 hour. This is also from the 1 hour. All right. It's a goal to come down to. I don't know what this is, but probably needs to get moved over. I want to keep an eye on this. I'm gonna draw a line like that. Um, 30 minutes. Um, keep an eye on that. 15 minutes. Fucking shit, man. On that. Fuck. It's like consistent support levels. 5 minutes. All right. 1 minute. All right. Thank God. Okay. let's go to the 30. Let's go to the 1 hour. I want to zoom out to see if there's anything I can work with. So this one here, let's start with the 75. Okay, that's been cleared. It's been cleared. All sides been cleared. All right. So nothing in the 75 time frame. The market just went on both sides. Nothing there. Let's go to the 50. Let's go to the 50. Has some volume down here. Let's go back to the 75. All right. Nothing. Right. Yeah. Nothing on here. No yellow. All right. Bet. Let's go to the 50. We got a little bit of red, yellow here with this red overnight session. Kind of makes sense for price to come back and retest and sell off. But now everything has been cleared here. Nothing here. Okay, let's go to 25. This is going to stay. I like this one. I don't want to force anything. All right, let's see this. Probably stay. That's going to stay. And that's going to be part of the 1 hour support resistance level. It's also part of the high and low. So it's a 25 tick chart. All right. Okay. 30 minutes. Oh, 20, let's just say. I bet. Okay, it's kind of like what I'm working with right now. Not gonna stress any of these levels until something comes of them. I don't see anything to really focus on. All of these can go. Kind of where I'm at with that. I don't really have much. Let me zoom out. Let's put this at 75. Let's make this large. I want to get this down here with it. This right here with it. We got that happening, right? And this can go. Okay. Back to the 20. Back in like that. Got this breakout, retest, breakout. This looks good as far as that. We're gonna see what we get out of that. Let's go to settlement price, and then we're gonna move on with this. Let's go to NQ. So I'm going to mark just this. And market opens up soon. Let's hit the high and the low. So this one didn't clear the high like ES did. Can I pull this one time? Yes, thank you God. Alright, that might be it for me for that. Let's go to VIX. And at the high and low, we're gonna call it. Can I drag this one out? No. Can I drag this one out? Alright. Can I drag this one out? Yeah. I bet. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, we got that. Let's go to 5-tick chart. And then that's gonna be it for me for that. The news I suppose came out. Look like it came out. I'm gonna set that up. While that's still doing this thing, news came out at 8:30. I'm gonna mark that. Let's take this one here. 4:07. All right, so news came out. I don't see you. Where's it at? There we go. All right, so that was news. All right. So that one also cleared the high. Like that. All right, and then got the low down here. All right, so we'll see what we get out of this. Okay. All right, so back to ES. Market opens up soon. Don't really see anything that's sticking out. So just gonna try to stay aware, but I don't see anything sticking out right now. But market opens up soon. All right. I'll catch you later.